Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best calligraphy pens that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have Tombow 56429 Fudd Inosuke Colors Brush Pens. The differing brush tips available in multiple colors help to effortlessly create beautiful calligraphy and hand lettering. The unique tip on the Fudd Inosuke pen allows you to control your strokes with precision to achieve your desired lettering or calligraphy style. Fudd Inosuke brush pens feature flexible brush tips perfect for creating beautiful lettering and learning various drawing techniques. Available in soft, hard, and twin-tip brush tips, Fudd Inosuke brush pens can create extra fine, or medium strokes by a simple change in pressure. The varying brush tips provide multi-function use for different lettering styles. There are no limits to what can be created with the Fudd Inosuke brush pens. For over 100 years, Tombow has produced only the highest quality fine art products, engineered to help artists create their very best work. The Fudd Inosuke brush pen is no different and is crafted with a unique brush tip with artists in mind. The brush pen was developed in Japan to provide an easier and more portable way to write the Japanese calligraphy characters such as kanji. The name Fudd Inosuke translates in English as a brush that helps calligraphy strokes. The Fudd Inosuke brush pen is a must-have, versatile tool for creating art drawings. Moving on, at number 4, we have Staedtler Calligraphy Pen Set. Those looking for practicing calligraphy or developing their own calligraphy style can try this pen set from Staedtler. The kit includes all the necessary components to let you create elegant calligraphy writing and drawing. Calligraphy is writing with a single pass of the pen tool to write is a form of art. With 5 interchangeable nibs to choose from, extra fine, medium, broad, extra broad, the possibilities are endless. With many different types of calligraphy styles and lettering techniques available, you can choose to start with the basics or develop your own. Review the included calligraphy instructions provided to help get you started. At number 3, we have Beyondyo Calligraphy Set 19-piece pen, ink and nibs kit and case. This set of calligraphy pens is perfect to get started in the calligraphy art. Those who admire the craft of writing, this set is suitable for beginners, expert calligraphers, adults, and kids. Conjure words of beauty or drawings with the Beyondyo Calligraphy Pen Set. Use the glass or wooden nib holder to dispense ink smoothly in different thickness lines. Add a touch of elegance to your writing and art. These sets are perfect for invitations, cards, letters and more. The perfect gift for aspiring beginners or experienced calligraphers. Purchase this exquisite calligraphy dip pen set for the creative person in your life, and they will join thousands of others that love writing with Beyondyo ink pens, guaranteed to be extremely rewarding and provide you with the tools you need to produce works of calligraphic brilliance. At number 2, we have Sakura 38062 8-piece Pigma Assorted Colors Brush Pen Set. The brush pen set from Sakura features 2-in-1 functionality because they can write like a pen and can also paint like a brush. You are ensured with high-quality writing with this calligraphy pen set. Manufacturing process of these pens makes use of archival quality ink that is chemically stable, fade-resistant and waterproof. They would not spread, quill, or bleed through on the majority of papers. Sufficient amount of ink is delivered to the sides and also to the tip of the flexible brush. The pen set consists of 1 pen each of black, blue, red, green, purple, orange, brown, and rose color brushes. Using these flexible pens, it is possible to twirl, draw, create fine lines, and broad brush stroke. Its brush is found utmost comfortable to hold in your hands and would also respond to instantaneous changes in direction or pressure. The inclusion of bright, fresh color improves handmade compositions and also depicts stylish personality. And finally, at number 1, Beyondyo Metallic Brush Marker Pens. Now you can write flexibly without any issues with these calligraphy pens from Beyondyo. There are total 10 colors available for you to choose from. The pens come with flexible calligraphy tip with the line width of 1 to 2 mm, which lets you write precisely with a soft brush tip. The water-based ink is non-toxic and free from acid. You can choose from a total of 10 colors, i.e., gold, silver, red, white, green, light green, purple, gray, blue, and brown. They are opaque and not streaky. It is found that these pens work seamlessly on the glass, paper, plastic, stones, pottery, ceramics, and wood. The pens work best for black cardstock.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.